Some of the newest techniques here at Siser have quickly become the most popular as we strive to push the boundaries of what heat transfer can do. And in this video, we're going to show you a simple application, but one that will have everyone asking, how did you do that? So let's dive in and create an insane finish using nothing other than a heat press and a piece of household mesh in another how-to with Siser. To get us started, it is important to understand the mesh technique. By using a piece of mesh with the final press of your design, you will imprint the texture or pattern of the applied mesh, giving your design the ultimate finish. There are many variations of mesh, from fabric mesh to lace patterns, all the way to a piece of screen door material. Regardless of which mesh you choose, there are a couple steps to follow to get the best results. To start, create your design in your software of choice, then cut and weed out your design. Next, you will apply all layers of that design according to the instructions found by going to www.siserna.com or by downloading our mobile app. Once you have all layers of your design applied, you will then place your piece of mesh on top of your design, cover the mesh and design with a cover sheet like parchment paper or Teflon, and then apply at the same temperature your heat press is currently at for around 5 to 8 seconds. Last step is to remove the mesh to reveal an amazing finish. The mesh technique can be done with a variety of different materials and withstands a washing machine for many, many cycles. For this design, we use Siser's Easy Weed Electric, which has a metallic finish and works perfectly to take on the shape of the mesh pattern, making this basketball for this design look super realistic. Other materials that work well with this powerhouse technique include holographic and Easy Puff. Now, it's important to note that some materials do not work well with this technique or may wash out after a couple of cycles, but as you know, we always recommend that not only test these techniques for yourself, but also test the mesh under your heat press in the first place to ensure that it doesn't melt. So regardless of what material or method you try, the world of garment decorating is taking a new turn with techniques and finishes you can't get with screen print, DTF, or even sublimation. And if you like this video and want to see more, make sure you comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and be sure to tag us to show off your design using this awesome technique. And until next time, bye everyone.